Hello guys, welcome again to Graphicark Lighting Design. After a year, I'm coming back with a new video tutorial, so stay tuned and learn more about lighting design.
Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and tutorials. Let's go and begin.
We began by offering you some tips on how to apply artificial intelligence, or AI, in your day-to-day lighting design work. An example. Tips number 1. One of the best websites for improving lighting products is using Sora. Let me give you an example.
In my previous project, I create modern house lighting design, and let's see the kitchen. Which lighting fitting I used it. I suggested to client use an LED spotlight for this contemporary kitchen, and they agreed. However, they want to change the pictures in the datasheet in the Dialux report and ask for a modification for this lighting product, such as making the frame silver. So how can I do that? By logging onto Sora using my Google account, I made a prompt from Sora to change the color of the frame of this LED spotlighting to be silver color. If you want to use this prompt, check the description on this video tutorial, and the result from white frame to silver frame color of this LED spotlight. Let's generate this photos and see the magic happened. And this is the result from white frame to become silver color of this LED spotlight. So finally, we are changing now the photo in Dialux datasheet report. Another advice, definitely aid in your daily lighting design, is how AI provide a high-quality video presentation. One of the best websites for making videos for your lighting design video presentations is by using Google Flow. Let me give you an example. By going to New Project and then select your video aspect ratio. I used landscape video aspect ratio 16:9, then upload your prepared image which want to make video from start to end. And click the right arrow to generate the image also with prompt. And the result of the video that we want to show to our client, which is you can try also later on your own lighting design work.
All prompts I used you will see in my description below. I hope you learned a lot from my video tutorials.
Thanks for watching.